In this video, we are going to see an information desk application in a bank. Imagine a website with a button that says Meet with your banker. We just clicked on the button. We are now filling out a form that was built in ProcessMaker that sits on the bank's website. It says, Welcome to the digital bank branch. We fill in our name and address. And then it asks us to put in a number for receiving either an SMS or a WhatsApp message. We indicate we want to be notified via WhatsApp and that our request is related to an account opening. I'm interested in opening up a commercial account, but I'm having difficulty, as often is the case with commercial accounts, which are very paperwork intensive. And so we want to be connected immediately via video to a banker. When we click enter, we get a WhatsApp message immediately saying, Welcome to our virtual branch office. We will connect you via Zoom, and your estimated wait time is 8 minutes. Now on the other side, the banker has entered into a queue, has accepted Bill's case, has claimed the case, and is now working this case where Bill is requesting some additional help. So we can see what he's interested in, and then we can click on Start a Zoom call, and now Bill gets another 2 WhatsApp messages, one saying, Thank you for your patience, the banker is now ready to receive you, and also a Zoom link. So Bill will now click on the Zoom link and his Zoom will open up. There's Bill waiting to be connected to his banker. And now Bill is connected to the banker at Maybank. Now if we see this request, we can go back to it and we can see the full audit trail from the point of view of the bank. If the bank wants to know exactly how this was processed, how long it took exactly 2 minutes. And that is thanks to ProcessMaker.